So, starting on May 5, we will have two events on the same night. The first would be the Penumbral lunar eclipse, where the moon passes through the Earth's outer shadow called the penumbra. This eclipse is very subtle, and those in the regions that can see it will most likely notice that the moon appears darker. People in Asia, the Philippines, Australia, Europe, and Africa will have the best chance of seeing this event. Use the app Stellarium or other night sky emulator apps to know when and where to look for the eclipse. At the same time, we will also have the peak of an above-average meteor shower called the Eta Aquarids. The Eta Aquarids is an annual event happening when the Earth passes through debris left behind by Halley's Comet. In 2023, the shower will be active from April 19 to May 28, peaking on the night of May 5 and the morning of May 6. You can expect to see up to 60 meteors per hour during the peak. However, the nearly full moon may make it more challenging to see the shower since the bright moonlight might wash out the dimmer meteors. The best viewing will be from a dark location after midnight. The meteors will radiate from the constellation Aquarius but can appear anywhere in the sky. On May 11 at 1:05 Coordinated Universal Time, the moon will be at its closest point to Earth in its orbit called a perigee. The distance between the moon and the Earth will be approximately 369,343 kilometers from us. It will be in its waning gibbous phase with 11% illumination. The moon will appear brighter than usual, but the difference will be subtle. On May 13 at 13:04 Greenwich Mean Time, we will have the Moon-Saturn Conjunction, where the two objects appear close to each other in the heavens. The apparent distance between them will be 3 degrees and 17 minutes, which is the width of 3 fingers held at arm's length against the sky, making it a magnificent photographic opportunity to capture the moon close to Saturn in the night sky. The moon will be in its waning crescent phase with 44% illumination on this night. In astronomy, a conjunction is where two celestial objects appear close to each other in the night sky. On May 17, there will be a conjunction between Mercury and Jupiter, where the two planets appear close together in the night sky. The event will occur at 12:51 Greenwich Mean Time, and the two objects will come within 6 degrees of each other. Jupiter will be in the constellation Pisces, while Mercury will be in Aries. Both planets will be visible to the naked eye just before dawn, but you will need a clear view of the horizon because they will be low in the sky during this time. On May 18, we will have a Moon-Mercury Conjunction where the moon will appear close to the first planet from the sun. The moment is a spectacular opportunity to catch Mercury and the thin crescent moon simultaneously at dawn. However, they will be very close to the horizon on this day, so you must have a clear view of the eastern horizon to see them before sunrise. On May 23, we will have a Moon-Venus Conjunction where the moon will be close to Venus in the heavens. Mars will also be visible on this night, allowing you to see two planets and the moon simultaneously. The conjunction is visible in the early evening after sunset in the Gemini constellation. The moon will be in its waxing crescent phase with 12% illumination during the event, so the moon will appear very thin. On May 25, the moon will conjunct with Mars in the Cancer constellation as our natural satellite moves across its orbit. Venus will still be visible on this night, creating another spectacular chance to photograph two planets and the moon simultaneously. The event is visible to the naked eye in the early evening after sunset. On May 26 at 9:39 p.m. Coordinated Universal Time, the moon will reach its farthest point from Earth in its orbit, called an apogee. The distance between the moon and the Earth will be approximately 44,509 kilometers from us. The moon will be in its waxing crescent phase with 25% illumination during this time. It will also appear smaller than usual, but the difference will be subtle. Lastly, on May 29, Mercury will reach its greatest western elongation of 24.9 degrees from the Sun. It will be in its highest point above the eastern horizon, making it the best time to observe the elusive first planet from the Sun. Look for Mercury low in the eastern sky just before sunrise. However, you will need a clear view of the horizon to observe the first rocky world from the Sun before sunrise. Jupiter and Saturn will also accompany Mercury during this time, making this a magnificent opportunity to witness multiple planets simultaneously. So, that's it for the highlight astronomical events for May 2023, guys. And I hope that you found this video useful and informative so far, and hopefully some, if not most of you, will witness some or most of the astronomical events for this month, especially the upcoming penumbral lunar eclipse. And so, without further ado, I wish you good luck, clear skies, and enjoy the universe before your very eyes. And see you next time.